People, this is Finvest alert. Okay, so there is an update right now about TAPSWAP. I had thought that these people will never launch, and so yesterday, being 6th of February 2025, they updated us and said thank you for tapping and for being with us and for being patient and blah blah blah. Now being 7th of February 2025, we have just been notified with our allocations, which is so disheartening. Believe me, I am shedding tears. This is so annoying, and this is, I don't know, for more like almost a year right now that I've been tapping. So we're just going to go in, so I'll show you all of this now. Look at this. They have started season 2. Of course, I will never try this. In short, if I see anybody doing this, I'm going to fight the person. So when you come to drop here, you click on it, and this is my allocation. 43 taps. Wow. I don't know what this means. I actually had 180 something million, all right, on this account. And then on the Tap It Town, the blocks was 2 point something million. How many? I think 7 stars and 30 something video, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. All of those details are no more here. I would have shown you. So now, do you think that these guys are going to list at $1? That's the highest magic they can do for TAPSWAPs. I do not know their FDV. I do not know. That is the fully diluted volume, all right, which will now influence the price that this is going to list at. And you know how this is gotten, right? You just do the total supply, all right, you get it, and then you get the FDV, which is the market cap where it's going to be listed at, right? So the price they are going to put, the money they are going to invest into it. So when you now get this money, if it is say 1 million, you now divide by the total supply. That is what influences the price at which these tokens are listed. Now you've understood it. So you ask yourself, what do you think these guys are going to list at? 0 point something, right? Now let me show you. For someone like me who has been farming for almost a year right now, this is my second account. Click on drop 27, and this was what 100 and something too. Now the only thing I know I did not do was to do the ton coin doubling something, you know, paying ton last year, all right? Some people did it, and my senior bro, who I know doesn't have exactly what I have back then, did that 1 ton stuff and doubled his coin, and he's gotten 140 something. Can you imagine that? So TAPSWAP is actually rewarding more based on what people who gave them money. Airdrop initially used to be that, okay, so we don't want to pay influencers or pay platforms like YouTube and all of that for them to advertise, but let us get to the main people that needs this. So what Airdrop does is that it streamlines, all right, channels your products to exactly the people that needs it. If I am advertising on YouTube, anybody can actually see it, even though they are placing it on channels for, you know, that are on a particular niche. But with Airdrop, you know that these are people who are in crypto space and they need crypto. So this is why Airdrop is done. So you advertise to people and then get points and get rewarded. So they use this money for advertisement and pay us, right? That's what Airdrop is. But right now, it's no more for the poor. This is for people that already have money. You pay them and you get something. So if I'm getting 43 and someone who doubled his coin sometime with just 1 ton, back then ton should be around $3 to $4 or so, I don't know, he got a bigger allocation. Now let's do a few calculation. Okay, let me not bore you. So if these guys, like I said, should do magic, it would require magic, as of course I know it has to require magic, because they cannot do anything better than $1. But they can still shock us and do like 0.1. Now imagine 0.1 times my 43 points. This will just be $4. It's nothing for a whole year, almost a whole year. All right, I don't know if I say okay, 43 plus I think 27, so 70 points, right? Then let's do times 0.1. That will be just $45 for 2 accounts for almost a year. That is barbaric. As a matter of fact, if our criteria for making heaven will be the way we lived our life on earth, and God, you know, probably will not have mercy on us, I'm sure nobody from TAPSWAP team will make heaven, because this is wickedness. Look at this. So if they make it $1, fine, that will be $70, and it's still rubbish for 2 accounts that I really found. Let me show you when I started this. Let's see. Let me just check, so you guys will see exactly when I started TAPSWAP. Let's scroll down. Okay, I think this is where the what's it called, the bot is going to stop. It's no more loading further. Otherwise, I can predict. I remember I've been doing this TAPSWAP since last year, April. So we have just like 2 months to making it exactly 1 year, and that will be, see, this is the place it stopped. All right, this is the place it stopped. But I know I've been on this platform before this July 8th. Like I've been on it because I know this July 8th. Around this time when they were talking about listing the first time, and then they postponed it to something 1st July, right? So it can't be possible that was when I started. So I know I've already made a video about it then. So this is arrant nonsense. So guys, please tell me in the comment section, what price do you think that this nonsense is going to list? If you have the TAPSWAP team around your village, please help me give them a blow. Unless they will list at maybe $3, $4, you know, $2. anything from $2, we can say, okay, this is airdrop of, Telegram. They are not doing so well this time around. So if you see anything that has to do with what is it called, TESTNET, please guys, rush it and get positioned for the bullrun if there is any. Remember, crypto is narrative. All right, so the narrative is on meme, and I'm going to be dropping some contract address of a meme coin that's going to be listing, which is Alex Becker meme. If you've heard about it, go and follow my Twitter account. I'm going to drop it in the description below, and get ready for that. You could become a millionaire, because this from airdrops, believe me, you can never be stable in life. Imagine working for a whole year and this is what you're getting. All right, so if this is your first time, please subscribe. God bless you.